लास्ट लाइफ में वो बहुत बड़ा बैट्समैन था, वॉज महेंद्र सिंह धोनी। तो क्या होगा अगर वो से ऐसा 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 अगर वो तब तो अपने आप को कोरिलेट नहीं कर पाएगा ना कि अभी मैं खेल क्यों नहीं पा रहा हूँ। जस्ट लर्निंग क्रिकेट एट दिस स्टेज। अगर हम लास्ट लाइफ का हमें याद रहे कि हम क्या कर रहे थे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। वी विल नॉट एबल टू टेक कोई 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 किसी को पता चल जाए कि वो बहुत बड़ा सिंगर था और वो अभी गा नहीं पा रहा है तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गई ना उसे। तो कृष्ण को हमें फॉरगेटफुलनेस दे देते हैं कि हम
there are many videos in YouTube which says people, some people
remember their last time.
they remember their past
बहुत
life.
रेयर होता है, बहुत रेयर होता है कि many some people they remember their past life। उससे कितना प्रॉब्लम होता है, like they go to their old house and they say that I was the father of this person, like that, and it creates lot of problem। But maybe because karma is very complicated to understand, because of सब karma he might have remembered his last life because he had some strong desire। तो कृष्णा हमें एक चीज नहीं भूलने देते हैं, वो क्या है, हमारा डिजायर। तो डिजायर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। हम अपने डिजायर को अपने साथ लेके नेक्स्ट बॉडी में जाते हैं। हम क्या डिजायर रखते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है हमारा नेक्स्ट बॉडी क्या होगा।
So Prabhuji, we don't remember our past life because we don't have a strong desire.
No, we don't remember our past life because Krishna wants to make us forget our past life। But Krishna, because in our subtle mind desires are there, so Krishna loves us, that's why Krishna fulfills that desire। Like suppose your desire is there, like I want to become a cricketer। Suppose your desire is like I want to become a singer। So if that desire is very strong in your heart, then you will get birth in a singer family। You take birth in a Lata Mangeshkar's family।
Yes,
you can get a chance to learn music and all। Suppose you have a desire to become a devotee of Krishna, then you'll get a birth in a devotee family where you'll get a chance to serve Krishna। Suppose you have a desire is to eat lot of food, okay, then Krishna will make you hippopotamus। You eat that quintals of food, okay। Suppose you want to eat non-vegetarian food, then Krishna will make you lion। Or eat non-vegetarian food, no problem, you will not get sin also because lion never gets sin। So it depends on our desire, okay। So desire is very important। So what we are desiring at the time of death and what we have throughout the life what we did, so desire is very important। सब सारा खेल डिजायर का है। अगर हम डिजायर कर लेना कि हमें हमें एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट बनना है, वी वांट टू बिकम अ गुड स्टूडेंट, देन एवरीथिंग विल एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली बिकॉज कृष्णा विल हेल्प अस। कृष्णा हेल्प्स अस नाउ डिजायर। अब कोई बोलेगा ठीक है मैं खराब मैं बोलूंगा मैं उसका कुछ खराब कर दूं, वो डिजायर करे वो, इन दैट केस व्हाट हैपेंस ना, कृष्णा सीज आल्सो द आवर बैंक अकाउंट। लाइक सपोज मेरा डिजायर है कि मैं यहाँ से अमेरिका जाना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है टिकट कटाने के, तो कैन आई गो? आई कैन नॉट गो ना। I need to earn money, so I need to do karma also for that। Krishna helps in the desire, but our karma should also be there, then Krishna will help us। Then third line, Vedesh sarver ahameva vedyo, what does it mean? It is Vedesh sarver ahameva vedyo, by all the Vedas I am to be known। वेदेश सर्वे, जितने भी वेद सर्व सारे वेदों में अहम एव वेद्यो, मुझे जानना चाहिए, आई नीड टू बी नोन। कृष्णा इज हिमसेल्फ सेलिंग कि सारे वेदों के सार में यह है कि यू नीड टू नो अबाउट मी। देन वेदांत कृत वेद विद एव चाहम, वेदांत कृत किसने बनाया? वेदा किसने क्रिएट किया है? हु रिटन ऑल द वेदास? सरयू, हु हैज रिटन ऑल द वेदास? Anyone?
Vedavyas।
Vedavyas, Hari Bol, Vedavyas। Vedavyas has written all the Vedas. And who is Vedavyas? Is the incarnation of Lord Krishna himself। Okay, he is the literally incarnation of Krishna himself। Okay, so Krishna himself has written Veda। Vedant Krit, I am the compiler of Vedas at Vyasadev, I am the knower of the Vedas। Vedavid eva chaham, I am the knower of the Vedas। So this is the conclusion of all the Vedas। Okay, you will understand this 15.15 is the conclusion of all the Vedas। So you should all remember. Next week we'll recite together and I will ask you to remember also। Yes, Amresh Prabhu. Yes, Avilasa, you want to ask something?
Yes, Prabhuji।
Yes, Avilasa।
Prabhuji, Vedavyas and Vyasadev, like, what is the difference between them? Vedavyas and Vyasadev.
Vedavyas and Vyasadeva is the same one, Like Veda Vyas is because he has created the Vedas, that's why he is also called Veda Vyas. Okay, and with respect also, like sometimes you tell na Gurudev, so he is also called Vyasadev.
Oh.
Okay. And all the gurus are called with Vyasa. They all gurus are also representative of Vyasadev. That's why we are whenever we celebrate the birthday of our Gurudev, we say
Vyasa Puja.
Vyasa Puja. Okay, got it.
Okay, Prabhuji.
The conclusion of this chapter. Conclusion. If suppose if you want to say in one line, one sentence, that what is the conclusion of this chapter? Conclusion is that that person who is that person who is different from the conditioned and liberated soul. There are two types of persons: conditioned soul, who is always under Maya, and they are liberated soul, who is always thinking about Krishna. They are under Krishna. There are two types of people, and who supports and is superior to both of them is Paramatma. Paramatma is superior to that one, and Supreme Lord is Krishna is the supreme to Paramatma also. That we need to understand. That Jiva, then Paramatma, then Eva Paramatma is Krishna, and Krishna is the maintainer of everyone. So if you understand this one, then you understand this chapter. Then in this chapter, we studied about the tree. Okay, this tree. Okay, this inverted tree. This tree, inverted tree. Okay, now in the next chapter, what will we study? We will study the fruits of this tree. Suppose not about real tree. What is the fruit of this tree? There are two types of fruit of this tree. One is good fruit and another is bad fruit. So good fruit gives good qualities and bad fruit gives bad qualities. So next chapter, title of the next chapter is the divine and demoniac natures. Okay. So next chapter is also very short chapter. We will try to finish next week. So that is very also like we are in the third last chapter of this Bhagavad Gita, divine and demoniac nature. Then we will study about the division of faith. Is what are the different types of faith. Then we will conclude our Bhagavad Gita. We are going to finish Bhagavad Gita very soon. So you all should try to remember the verses because we are going to play our treasure hunt game. Okay. After finishing all the chapters, I'll give you some situations, and you need to identify that this verse is which situation. Like suppose I'll give you that some one friend is coming to you, okay, and he tells you like अभिनव के पास कोई उसका फ्रेंड आता है कि अभिनव मैं इतने सारे वेदास पढ़ने हैं, इतने सारे बुक्स हैं, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद, ये शिव पुराण, महापुराण, ब्रह्म संहिता, उपनिषद, पुराणास, 18 पुराणास आर देयर, तो अब मैं क्या क्या पढ़ूं? व्हाट शुड वी रीड? और इसका इतने वेदास में है क्या? इतना पढ़ने का टाइम भी कहाँ है हमारे पास? देन व्हाट सॉल्यूशन यू विल गिव हिम? फ्रॉम व्हिच वर्स? वेदास से हमें क्या जानना है? Which verse? Very easy to remember. Just now we recited, na? 15.15. Vedesa cha Sannavisto. Okay. From all the conclusion of all the Vedas is that we need to know about Krishna. Okay. Krishna himself is telling Vedanta Krit. I have created the Vedas by in the form of Vyasadev. Vedanta Krit Vedavid Eva Chaham. And I have to be known by Vedas. So Krishna has in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has given all the things in very capsules form because we don't have so much time in Kali Yuga to read everything because we need to study the subjects also, right? That's why Krishna has given everything in conclusion in Bhagavad Gita. So that's why Bhagavad Gita is called Gitopanishad. It is also called like all the places are compared to cow, but this Bhagavad Gita is compared to a calf which is drinking the milk of that cow. Such an important Upanishad. Okay. Okay then, we'll meet next week with new chapter 16. I'll try to make some questions on chapter 15 so that you can make some quiz over in this chapter so that you can revise this chapter also. Okay. Any questions? Anyone has? No question? Okay. Then we'll chat Hare Krishna Mahamantra once. We'll stop. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Thank you so much for coming.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna
Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Prabhuji, Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.